Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to another video. In today's video I'm gonna be showing you a city called Monterrey, which is in the state of Nuevo Leon in northern Mexico. Monterrey is one of the most livable cities in Mexico, and I've been wanting to do a video about this city for a very long time, so I'm very happy to finally be able to show you this city. So are you ready? Let's get started. Hello guys, good morning. So welcome to Monterrey. Monterrey is the third largest city in Mexico and the second most important economic center in the country. This city is growing like crazy. This city is currently one of the most attractive cities for businesses and to make money. It's a very different city to other cities in Mexico. It doesn't have that colonial, architecture like San Miguel Allende, Guanajuato, and some parts of Mexico City. This city is very different. So in this video I'm going to show you the best places to see if you want to come here, where to eat, and some general information you might need if you want to visit this city. So let's get started, and I hope you enjoy this video. So now I am in a place called Mirador del Obispado, which is a very nice place if you want to see Monterrey in all its glory. As you can see, the view is very nice from here. And this tower right here that you're seeing is called Torre Obispado. It is currently the tallest tower in Mexico and Latin America. So it's a very iconic building here in Monterrey. Okay guys, so I made it to the top of the observation deck. The view from here is absolutely incredible. If you come to Monterrey, you need to come here because this is the best view of the city. You will be able to see all the skyline of Monterrey, El Cerro de la Silla, all the city, everything. I highly recommend this place. I feel like this has been my favorite spot so far in the city. So this is La Macroplaza de Monterrey. It's one of the largest squares in Mexico. In fact, if you've ever been to Moscow, this is twice the size of the Red Square in Moscow and 6 times the size of the Zócalo in Mexico City. This is a huge square. It looks like a park actually. I don't know, but it's a square. And the government palace is located right at the end of this place, so I'm gonna try and go there. Because I came here in the winter, it's not very warm, it's sunny and it's a little bit warm, it's not super warm. So if you come here in the summer, good luck walking this place because it's so hot here. It's very hot. It's similar to the Texas weather. So I was here once when it was hot and I did not want to do that. Now I am in an area called Barrio Antiguo. This is a very cool area here in Monterrey, and I found this lovely market called Mercado Barrio Antiguo, and I'm gonna have chilaquiles. I love chilaquiles, and I found this place called Catrinas Chilaquiles. The place looks very nice. There's a lot of stuff that sell all kinds of food, so if you are in the area, this is a great option. Okay, my food just arrived. My chilaquiles look so good. They have a lot of stuff in them. Chilaquiles are a very typical breakfast in Mexico. Any Mexican loves chilaquiles. So it's good. Oh my god, that's really good. something you should know about Monterrey is that this city, it's not very touristy. I don't know how to explain it. It's not like San Miguel de Allende or Mexico City or Puerto Vallarta. You know, this area is more like a business city. It's very industrial. You're not gonna find that many like, you know, colonial architecture. It's not gonna have that charm of some Mexican cities. This is a very different city. It's more like Americanized, I would say. So it's very different, and also it's quite hard to get around. Like, for example, I've been here for a few days and I've been using Uber like a lot. I feel like you need Uber or cars. Like, it's very hard to walk. Some areas are walkable, but in general this area is very spread out, very big, and things are just like really far away from each other. So you are gonna have to use Ubers quite often. And yeah, this city, it's strange, I don't know. So this park is called Parque Rufino Tamayo. It's actually one of the nicest parks I've found in the city. It's very, very nice. You can see La Torre Koi, you can see those buildings, you can see the mountains, you can see everything. It's a very nice park. So I'm gonna fly my drone right now and I'm gonna show you how this area looks like from above. So I have arrived in the heart of San Pedro Garza García. Right next to me is a very nice mall which is called Fashion Drive. It's one of the most popular malls here in this area. So right now I'm gonna go to that mall and see, you know, what it's like. And after that I'm going to another mall which is called Palacio de Hierro, which is one of the nicest department stores here in Mexico actually. And I have heard that in front there is a very, very nice grocery store which is called City Market. We have City Market in Mexico City, but I have heard that that is the best one in the country. So I'm very excited to go there because you guys know I love grocery stores. This is like the Santa Fe of Monterrey. The buildings are very modern and you see a lot of very luxurious cars here. I see so many like Mercedes, BMWs, Hummers, Teslas. Like, you can definitely see this area is the wealthy area of the city. And everything is just very, very clean. The streets are very clean. Everything is really nice. So I am in this little square. In front of me is one of the most iconic buildings here in Monterrey. San Pedro Garza García is one of the 51 municipalities of the state of Nuevo Leon, and although it is not technically Monterrey, it is located in the metropolitan area of Monterrey. According to the INEGI, San Pedro Garza García is the safest urban area to live in Mexico, and it has been ranked as the wealthiest neighborhood in Latin America, with an annual per capita income of $96,000. An average home in San Pedro can cost from 20 million to 45 million pesos, which is around 2.2 million US dollars. Let me tell you, I was pretty impressed with this neighborhood. I really liked it, especially this supermarket. I don't know why, but I was really shocked by this grocery store. We have City Market in Mexico City. I've seen many city markets, but this one was especially like, wow. I was in heaven. The only thing about this area though is that it's not very walkable. You need a car. People here have a car and it's not a very walkable area. It's pretty spread out, but there is an area that is very walkable, which is called Centrito. And if you want to stay in San Pedro, which in my opinion is the best area in the city to stay, you can stay in this Airbnb, which is in an area called Centrito. Centrito is the walkable area of San Pedro. It's a very nice area with a lot of shops, and you don't need a car if you want to stay there. So if you want to stay in San Pedro, I will leave the link below. So you keep asking me to offer you some vegan options, and I'm in Monterrey, and here people eat a lot of meat, but I found this beautiful bakery in the center of the city and I bought a few treats with me. Okay, so the first one we're gonna try is this one. This one is rollo de canela. I can't believe this doesn't have any eggs or dairy. It's really good. It tastes like a normal bread. Okay, the next thing we're gonna try is this concha. I love concha, so this is a chocolate concha. This is a very typical bread here in Mexico. This is a very good concha. This is a very good concha. And last but not least, I'm gonna try this ombligona. Let's see how it tastes like. Wow, you guys, I love this bread. Wow. This orange gives the bread such a beautiful flavor. I don't think I ever tried a bread with orange like this, but this orange is a little bit sweet. I think it's caramelized, and the combination of everything, I think this one was my favorite. This one is very good. This is called La Fundidora Park and is by far the most famous park in Monterrey. It is located right in the center of the city, and there are plenty of things to do here. This is actually one of my favorite attractions in this park. It is called Museo del Acero Horno 3 and the entrance costs 150 pesos. This is a science museum devoted to the region's industrial history in a formerly abandoned blast furnace. Okay guys, so finally I arrived to this bridge. Oh my god, this bridge is very far, very far. This bridge is called Puente Atirantado and it's one of the symbols of Monterrey. To come here, it's really far and it's not that easy and there's nothing around here. But I wanted to fly my drone here, so that's why I came here. So now I'm gonna do that and hopefully the views from here are going to be very nice. But yeah, this bridge is one of the symbols of Monterrey. So I am in Calzada del Valle, a very nice avenue here in San Pedro. I'm actually staying very near here, and there is a bakery that is like a few blocks from here, and I bought this muffin. Apparently this bakery is one of the best in the city, and I asked the guy which was like the specialty of the place, and he told me this was like a special edition. It's like a Valentine's muffin, so I'm gonna try it. I think it's chocolate and it has some strawberry. So let's see how it tastes like. I love the consistency. It's very moist. It's not very chocolatey. I thought it was gonna be more chocolatey. It's not, but they had a lot of options. So if you're in San Pedro, definitely go there. It's really good. The bread is very high quality. I love bread. Okay guys, if you made it this far, we are finished. Thank you very much for watching till the end. So what do you think about Monterrey? Do you think it's a city where you would like to visit? Let me know in the comments. If you're new here, my name is Israel and I make travel videos. I upload videos every week or every 2 weeks. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. I'll see you guys on my next video. Take care and stay healthy.